Today I'll be talking about Chapter 8 Hybrid Digital Business Models. First off, we'll talk about its development. Digital business models. Business models during the initial phase of digital business development were purely unifunctional and two-focused. They started with context, which meant that they offered information. Over time, these business models adapted into a more hybrid model. A pure play business model refers to an internet platform that solely offers information. Deploying multiple business models can be referred to as multi-play business models. Here an example of hybrid business model development. Pure play business models start with content. Dual play business models are content and commerce. Triple play business models are content, commerce, and context business models. And quadruple play business models have content, commerce, context, and connection. Perspective. Who benefits what? For customers, pure play models or single point access to information offers convenience and reduces user search efforts. Companies having a hybrid model offer major benefits such as higher benefits from economies of scale. Economies of scale are the cost advantages that a company obtains with increasing output. It's less expensive to have fixed costs distributed over more output units, therefore, the larger the e-service range and more service units are provided, then the higher the potential cost benefit. For multiple customer retention, it fosters loyalty, increasing the number of relations to the customers. Another benefit is creating intertwined customer connections. Larger network increases information in large customer base and offers better customer service. Another benefit are the potential of new bundles. New bundles create new profit opportunities. Finally, their last major benefits are diversification. It reduces risk of a revenue stream. Here, here is like a figure of the more layout drivers or benefits from having a business model. Network effects, multiple customer retention, price bundling, diversification. Next is a hybridization of business models of Google. As we all know, Google is our main search engine. They are a global internet service provider in Mountain View, California, famous for their search engine. Google included all four business model types through numerous services. Their overall goal is to organize and systematize information on the internet and make it available for their users. Here is an example of the products that they have made under the 4C business models. As you can see, it's a lot, and I'll explain that further as we go. The Gatekeeper. Because of Google's prominent success, they are the ones in charge of information control. Framework of 4C net business model. Context. Google search engine is continually expanding through their specialized search services, e.g., Google Images, Google Catalogs, Google Scholar, etc. Many previous services have also been expanded or various services have been consolidated to provide users with an even broader range of services under the main service. For example, the Google Local service was integrated into Google Earth and Google Maps. Those three are separate products. That Google Local is under Earth and Maps. Next is content. Google's market offering is characterized by their provision of multimedia content. Examples of this are Google News, Google Earth, and YouTube. Connection. This is characterized by the provision of network-based information exchange. Blogger, Gmail, Hangouts, these allow users to connect with each other. And Blogger is the blog spot if everyone knows what it's for. And commerce. Google's components are characterized by the initiation, negotiation, and settlement of business transactions, e.g., Google AdSense, Wallet. Here's a Google result. Sorry. Google is constantly expanding its commerce offers in the area of product search engine, product presentation, and price comparison. In this context, Google Product Search and Google Shopping are particularly important. Even though these offers originate in the context area, they increasingly focus on the initiation and negotiation of business transactions and can therefore belong to the area of commerce. Uh, Something that's not mentioned in this side are products that can be both context and connection. Some Google services can also be assigned to different businesses. Picasa can be both connection because it allows the exchange of pictures and content because it is made available worldwide. Google is also active outside of the framework. Google developed information technologies, Android, Google Glass, Google Home, etc. These don't fall under the 4C business models. Here's an example of why Google is a gatekeeper. They're the ones in charge of um, talking, filtering information from the company to their users. And this figure shows exactly what Google is showing. Conclusion. Google is pursuing an increasing hybrid business model to satisfy the users and other companies. Google is a middleman with regards to information. They help understand companies and users with each other. They are the ones who systematically process and store data. They enable users and providers satisfaction for high customer loyalty, like what Apple does. It's why Apple has a large loyal fan base. Google loves monetizing traffic data and its flows, and that's it.